My name is Koetter. I'm the director of the steel division for Koetter Construction and the Koetter Group. We have been in business, started by my grandparents back in 1954 as a general contractor. We specialize in both heavy industrial, commercial, retail, and a bunch of different projects. So previously we owned ourselves 2 truck cranes, an old International and an old Ford, and we bought those in the 70s. For the past, I'd say 20 years, I've been erecting buildings primarily with telehandlers. Limitations to that are obviously, the size of the members you can pick up, steel tonnage, and, the safety factor of, when is this machine gonna kick out? There's no warning system on those. What I found with Magni was the perfect blend in between the two. It provides all the benefits of a crane without having to have the major regulations and the major stipulations. And yet that safety factor, for me, I don't have to worry about this machine turning over. So this facility here is a brand new 150,000 square foot elementary school for Roy E. Wilson. Once it's finished, they will demolish that school and they will move into this new facility. As for the Magni on site here, it has set virtually every single piece of iron, even to that large, 8,000 pound member right there. We've set it all. We've also been able to set decking up on the roof. That rotating element is something that my crew personally loves. The versatility of being able to maneuver and manipulate that pick and get it exactly where you want it has been absolutely awesome, especially on a job site that started in the winter. So we've had our difficulties with, mud and dealing with being able to get into a certain area. Magni has been able to do that with ease and provided us with a ton of productivity. The reason we got the 3 attachments, obviously the forks, we like a wider fork, so we went with the 6-foot forks, just so whenever we're offloading trucks, we have that span. Hook attachment we got for heavier picks to be able to maximize up to the machine's capability. And then the winch attachment, which is what we'll primarily use, we use it specifically for bar joists.
My name is Devin Powers. I'm a foreman for Koetter Construction. The machine's very user-friendly to me, but I've been operating telehandlers for 20 years. It's probably more agile than a 10,000 pound JLG telehandler. The breakdown and the moving of it is very quick, very simple. The Magni has changed the way that we set steel. I set 18 columns in 4 hours, and I moved once.
From a cost perspective internally, I've already seen benefits of it. I've been able to engineer the cost of this machine versus the cost of renting a crane and an operator and having that on site. It's roughly double for a crane and an operator. For the safety features alone is why we chose Magni. I absolutely feel like we made the correct choice. Being behind this Magni machine is a huge game changer for us. We're not relying on feel, we're relying on technology. I'd say the top 3 things for Magni are its capability, its versatility, its safety, and its savings. How about 4? I can't put it down to 3, it's 4 things.